Welcome to the first video of AI with JavaScript. In this video we will set up a simple Node.js project with Hugging Face API token. Let's get started. Visit huggingface.co, click on Sign Up, and after logging in with your account, go to the settings. Then click on Access Token. Now click on Create. Set the type as red, and give the token a name. Now click on Create Token again, then copy the token that appears on the screen. Now create a folder and open it in VS Code. Initialize an empty npm project in the terminal. Now open the package.json file and set the type as module. Next, install the .env package via npm. Now create a new file and name it .env. In it, paste the token you copied earlier to a key named hf_API_token. Now create another file and name it 01hf.js. In it, import the config function from .env package and execute it. Next, print the token onto the console. Finally, execute it in the terminal via Node. The token will be printed onto the screen. That's it for setup. See you in the next video.